Hello, hello. Today we're going to be talking about the Juvia's Place Powder Foundation. I was in Ulta the other day and I feel like I need to be a little higher. There we go. My chair, I don't know if I said this before on here, but my chair likes to slowly sink down. And so I have myself perfectly positioned and then it's just over. But I digress. I was at Ulta and I was walking by an end cap and saw this. I believe this is brand new because I have not heard or seen anything about this. And I'm really into powder foundation right now. So I was like, let's give it a shot. Let's go. So let's read about this product. This is $18. So I'm kind of digging the price. I got the shade Cabo, which is medium 1, apparently. I got to swatch this in store, so hopefully it did okay. I Am Magic Press Powder Foundation is a long-wearing, silky smooth, breathable formula, delivers buildable coverage. It's a blend of finely milled powders, regulate oil, and create long-lasting mattifying finish. Okay. Weightless formula glides into the skin, blending seamlessly without setting into pores or creating a heavy mask effect. Silk-like glide, smooths and softens, excellent blendability, buildable custom coverage designed for multiple uses, including bronzing. Non-cakey skin gripping base for a long-lasting wear and comfort. Blended powders expertly selected for instant and long-term oil control. Visible pore vanish effect, sebum regulating blurring. Formula shrinks pores to smooth out skin surface for a younger looking, flawless appearance. Oh, that's what I want. Younger, flawless, yes. Premium compact with a magnetic lock and mirror, built-in sponge comfort for on-go application, available in 20 lush, highly pigmented shades. Flawlessly blend into all skin tones without leaving a trace. All right, I think we're excited about this. Like I said, I'm so into powder foundation right now, so sorry my hands are a little dry off of that swatch, but I think I did really good on the shade match because I have been going a little bit too light, so maybe I went a little too dark. Pressing into this, it's very silky and soft, but also if I can zoom in on here, it's not pressed super firmly in the pan. Can you see that kick up that's coming up when I'm just swatching it? So this will be interesting to see. All I have on is moisturizer, sunscreen. I don't have any concealer on because I want to see what it does to the under eyes. So I'm gonna shut up. Let's get it on the face. Okay, so we're gonna tap in. Yeah, it's slightly dusty, but that's okay. And we're just gonna start pressing. I did not like their concealer. It felt too I don't know, it didn't sit well on my skin. Okay, I'm just trying to look at it in the mirror. Here's the done side. I think I did pretty good on the color. And then undone side. So yeah, into the camera, we're evening us out just a little bit. I like the color. I feel like it looks nice on the skin. I think I was just expecting a little bit more from the description, but you can never really trust the descriptions, right? They always try to build it up to be this the most best absolute crazy thing that you're gonna ever try. But I do think it looks nice. It's definitely not too heavy. So in that same vein, it's not making me flawless, which is fine. I don't like a heavy product at all. But it's definitely not heavy. It's not cakey or anything. It looks nice. It looks nice on the skin. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side. We'll come back with the finished look. Okay, yeah, so it is a little dusty. Can you see that when I'm picking up the product? I had too much coffee, my hands are shaking. So it's a little dusty, but that's okay, it goes on nicely. So here is the finished look. Hold on, let me clean up the brows. Here's the finished look. What do we think? I like it. It looks really nice. Cool, so we're gonna start the wear test. It's Sunday, and I am heading into the office. I'm gonna do a little bit of work. I have a showing later, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. So probably check in before I go to the gym and sweat it all off. I will check back in with you in a bit, and we'll see how this does. All right, this might be a little bit of a weird setting. I'm actually at the office. It's Sunday. I think I told you that. I decided to come in today because I kind of took yesterday off. Long story short, I'm just trying to catch up on some work so I'm not completely overwhelmed tomorrow on Monday. But yeah, so we're into it for I'd say we're about 4 hours into it. This looks so nice. I'm getting a little oily right here and here. I did amp up the my moisturizer right here because it does get a little weird if I don't moisturize this area. So I think maybe that's part of it, but it just looks So good on the skin. I'm loving it. It looks creamy. I really dig this. This is definitely Colin approved. Hit that subscribe button. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. And I will link down below a playlist to all my other reviews so you can check those out as well. And thank you again so much for joining me on this one. And I will check you on the next one.